Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to download and install Visual Studio Code. ब्राउजर में हम यहाँ पे गूगल में लिखेंगे Visual Studio Code and then first URL है यहाँ पे Visual Studio Code, the open source AI code editor. This is now AI code editor. So हम इसको इंस्टॉल करेंगे Python कोड लिखने के लिए. So let's download this for Windows. Start downloading, create folder. So this is downloaded. Let's install this. Double click on this. Click on I accept the agreement. Click next. Next. Here, if you want this icon on the desktop, so check this, and you can also check this and click install. Okay, let's click finish, and then it will launch now it will launch Visual Studio Code. Currently, we have a theme that's dark color, dark theme. You can change it. Okay, so let me close this. Let's click on this. Click on open folder. Do you have any folder so we can create it? If you have, we can open that. Else, we need to create this. So I'll take it here. A new folder, Python PCEP program, or like only Python PCEP. I'll take this. Select this. Select this folder. Now we have to trust this folder. Yes, I trust the authors. Done. If you want to change the theme, you can change it from here. Choose the theme. Browse the color themes here. I can select it from here. Okay, and now we'll create one new file for Python. So I will say hello world dot py. So dot py basically is the extension of Python file extension, and once you set dot py, you will see that icon. Okay, now once you will create a new file with the dot py, you will see one recommendation to install that Python extension. So it will help us to write the Python language in the Visual Studio Code. So let's install that. Installation is now in progress. Yeah, so this is installed now. Let's click on this one, and let's say print double quotes hello world. And now let's run this file. Let's run this Python code. We have right side on the top run Python file. If you click on drop down, we have run Python file or run Python file in the dedicated terminal. So if you select the dedicated terminal, it will run in this terminal here, and you see the output hello world. You can also click on this directly, the run file, and you will see that this file will be executed and you see the output.